Hey guys, I'm gonna be making a chocolate covered strawberry cake. It's my birthday and so I'm making it for tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the wet ingredients because I have hard sticks of butter in it.
Yes.
Alrighty, so I have mixed my wet ingredients up, and so now I'm gonna slowly add my dry ingredients in. So I'm gonna let that mix for a little bit, still on low. And yeah, and I'm also gonna be putting the instructions and ingredients in the description below, so y'all can go check that out. Alrighty, so now that this is mixed, I am gonna evenly divide them into the pans. I have already greased the sides and put parchment paper in the bottom. So I'm going to evenly divide them into these three pans. Alrighty, now I'm going to put them in the oven on 350 for about 30 minutes until I can stick a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. I put my cakes in the oven and they're done now. So I'm gonna check them and take them out. And then I'm gonna let them sit in the pans for 10 to 15 minutes before I put them on a cool rack. I'm gonna stick a toothpick in them just to make sure it's all done. Yep, they're done. Alrighty, so it's been 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take them out, then put them on their cooling racks. I'm gonna take this off if I can get it. I'm using my dad's gloves. Alrighty, so I am gonna be taking my 1.5 cups of strawberries and dicing them and putting that between the layers of my cake. And I'm doing 3 layers, so I'm gonna put them in between, so it gives it a thicker and more strawberry flavor. I'm gonna be melting the chocolate chips now, so I can put them on my chocolate covered strawberries. Alrighty, so now is the fun part. I am gonna be icing the cakes and layering them together. First, because it helps it stick to me, I put a little thin layer of whatever icing I'm using in the middle, so I can take my first layer of cake, and it just helps it kind of stick. And then I'm gonna take more and spread it. And then I'm gonna sprinkle. This is the part where I'm gonna use the diced up strawberries that I did. And I'm gonna take a little bit at a time. And I'm gonna kind of just add them onto it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Alrighty, now
Do you need help? Do you need help?
I got it. There we go. My second layer on top, and I'm gonna add.
Yeah, just make sure you put it quite a bit to start off with.
I'm gonna cover the cracks up first, so I don't end up cracking more. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the icing on the outside because I find as it's smaller, it's easier to spread. Then I'm gonna take more strawberries and put them on top of this next layer. Alrighty, now I'm gonna add my last layer of cake on top. Icing the top. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead and icing the sides. And the top, I'm not really gonna add any strawberries on top because I'm gonna put chocolate covered strawberries, and then I'm also taking chocolate ganache and doing a drip on it, so. Yes, I do have strawberries left over, so we can eat those. Now I'm taking my tool and just letting it go around so it's more flat. Just shout out to my sister. She helped me do the chocolate covered strawberries. And also shout out to my mom. She washed all my dishes. And shout out to my cool brother. He just wanted me to say something about him. And now, this is the part where I'm gonna need my dad's help. And we're warming and loosening the chocolate ganache because we're gonna put right here and let it drip. Yeah, and then we'll do the chocolate covered strawberries on.
You want to do it or you want me to do it?
Let's put it a little bit more in the middle because I don't want the dogs to get it. So now we're gonna do the
It's not running everywhere, is it?
drip.
Yeah,
It
it
is.
is.
And we're
In the
just
center.
gonna pour it down. We're just gonna pour it. I've never done this, but we're gonna pour it. Now it's time for the fun part, the icing, the decorating, and all the other stuff. So I'm gonna be piping cute little roses. I have my icing, my strawberry stuff that we put on the outside, but I'm gonna be doing that and piping little roses around the outside, and then I'm gonna sit chocolate covered strawberries probably behind it and then in front of it, or on the side. Do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a chocolate covered strawberry. and my birthday I'm doing at Highland Calvin. I'm gonna be sitting this in the middle. I'm gonna be using sparkling candles for it. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the wet ingredients for. Ow!
What?
You need to get a clip of her just doing that, please. I'm gonna say it, sorry. And my mom is sitting here eating the icing left on the thing.
Oh, it's been going this whole time.
Oh, has it really?
Yeah.
That's cool. Kind of burnt. You edit that out, part 2.